Hello everyone, this is Tech Rehab, and in today's video I am going to be trying to make the most advanced phone repairing tool with my 3D printer. Okay, so as you may know, repairing phones can be very messy. You need this big repair mats that get dirty over time. And you might also need two of them if the repair has a lot of screws or brackets which you can lose so easily and they look so unorganized. Also, you need to have your screwdrivers and your tools with you all the time. And don't forget the random objects you need to use just to hold your screen while repairing. And I have just broke a screen, flex by just trying to keep this phone opened, so the struggle is real. So here's when 3D printing comes in place. Alright, firstly, I designed this lookalike of repair mat that has these small screw and bracket forms that you can store, and I doubled them so that you can add more screws and parts in one of these mats. I also added a real screen holder on the side so that you can keep your phone open securely. This print will take a lot of time, so let's start. Okay, so I am printing with PETG because I want it to be more rugged. Alright, it's been like 7 hours because I was printing very slowly. Let's see the first results. Okay, let's remove this. And yeet, we got our first failed print. It hasn't blended together nicely. We have some bed adhesion problems, and we have a lot of filament stuck to the nozzle, leading to that problem. Let's change some temperature settings and try again. Okay, let me speed this up. It's a fail again. The first layer was a little bit better, but still it failed. Mid-print. I changed some settings, let's try again. There is no way. The first layers were great this time, but it failed again. Mid-print because of bad adhesion to the bed. Okay, so I thought I might have to redesign it, so I changed some things to make it a bit more rugged. Overall, and also used Orca Slicer to make the G code. This time, I think I am ready for another print. And finally, this looks so promising, let's remove it and give it a closer look. Yeah, so this doesn't look bad at all. It has some minor imperfections, but these are completely my fault. Now we aren't done. We have some very important things to add to be able to make it the most advanced phone repairing tool. Okay. So first issue is that when I put the screen on the phone holder, it slips. So let's fix that by adding some anti-slip rubber mat. I know my cutting skills are bad, but at least it fits. And now the phone does slip, but the whole board does. So let's get through that too by adding some anti-slip dots. Okay, but I can't forget the mess. All the screws and the brackets make when repairing, so I have to find a way to fix that too. And that's with a magnet strip. Okay, so again you can add the magnet anywhere you want, but I added only on the top forms just for the essential screws. And look at that! It actually looked very nice, and I can assure you that after like 2 months of use, I literally have replaced all my repair mats for this. It's very useful. Let me know if you would like me to upload this file on any platform. Would you use it? Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe and comment anything you want to ask or notice. This was Tech Rehab, and I will see you in the next one.